What is up everybody, welcome to my channel and hope you guys are having a great day. And in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can download TikTok video without watermark. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for future video, be sure to subscribe and notification on. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So to download TikTok video without the watermark, so what the watermark means on TikTok is, let me show you. So let me download a video normally. So let me download this video. Now remember, all the videos in TikTok are not downloadable because if the creator of the video has not allowed downloading of the video, then you won't be able to download the video. Now remember, the technique which I'm going to show you where you can download video without watermark, if the creator of the video has not allowed you to download the video, then you cannot download it. Remember that. So let me give you an example over here. If I try to download this video, as you guys can see, if I try to download this video, there is no download button over here. So if you guys don't see a download button over here, then the method which I'm going to teach you, you cannot download video with that. So remember, it doesn't apply to all the video. You can only download those video which the creator of the video has allowed to download. So let me show you what the watermark I mean. The video which I just downloaded. Let me play the video. As you guys can see, by watermark I mean these type of symbols. So if you want to remove these type of symbol, what you can basically do is, let me download this video, the same video, click on this button over here and then scroll until you see copy link over here like this. Click on copy link, and once you copy the link, you need to go to this website on your browser, which is called musicallydown.com. So once you come to this website called musicallydown.com, you can enter the link of the video over here. Let me paste the link, and after pasting the link, you can click on this download button over here. Click on it, wait for some time until it downloads, and over here click on download MP4 now over here. Click on it and then download the video. So the video is downloading. Let's wait for some time, and the video has been downloaded. So let me show you guys the video. As you guys can see, the download video over here, and as you guys can see, there is no watermark over here in this video. So that's basically how you download TikTok videos without watermark. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and comment down below any questions you want to ask us. We'll try to answer you in the comment. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.